So I don't have a pickety drinkety, but so today is like the biggest day ever in like palette history, launching history. I don't even know. YouTube history. So this is what we're gonna do today. We're gonna play with this palette. I'm so excited to play with this. I know I haven't been on here for a really long time. Update, I moved to Arizona. So bye Colorado. He's out. Either way, moved to Arizona. I got a Diva ring light or a ring light. I got a ring light, so hopefully, you know, the lighting is better, I guess. I don't know. And things have been changing, okay? And I'm back now, and I'm better.
I'm back and I'm better.
Anyway, either way, today's gonna be a good day because I am trying out this palette. Guys, I have been such a fan of James for so long. I'm a sister, okay? I sister stan forever because this palette and James, I can't. Like, I literally can't with how amazing he is, with like his work ethic, just everything that he is. Like, he's so good, and he's like, that's why he's growing in the industry so much, I feel like, because he's just so good at like everything that he does. Like, he always comes out with the best content. He's always coming out with new ideas. He just came out with this palette. Like, this is so iconic. Like, this is more iconic than any like collaboration. Like, I'm just so excited to try this. I hope you guys stay tuned to the end because I do have a surprise for you guys. I'm not going to tell you about it now, but it is really exciting. So make sure you're staying tuned to the end so you can see my surprise for you guys. But yeah, let's just jump into this and let's play with the palette. Okay, so just to get like a really clean line, I mean, I kind of don't want to use tape because, I don't know, I just feel like I want it to be kind of like, I don't know. I'm just going to use tape anyway, just so I can get that clean line. And I'm just going to like add a little space underneath. I just used the More in This Way concealer in the shade Butterscotch, and now I'm just going to blend that out. I'm using the BH Cosmetics brush in the number 9. It's probably just like from a brush set or something. Okay, now that that's all set, yeah, like I said, I'm gonna go into B. Like I said, I don't know what look I'm going for yet, but oh my god, this is so stunning. I hope you guys can see this on camera. This is so stunning. It's like a stunning yellow shade. Oh my god, like, I am going to go in with, kind of want to pack it on more. I don't know. Okay, I'm going to go in with this Morphe brush. I don't know where this is from or what this is, but I'm just going to go in with it. It's a blending brush. I'm just going to, oh my god, I don't know if I should tap. I'm just going to tap off a little bit, and I'm just going to go, oh my god. Oh my god, guys, this is like the most exciting moment of my life. Oh my god, look at that yellow. Are you guys, like, are you kidding? Are you kidding? This should be named Are You Kidding? Like, are you kidding me? Oh my god, she's so pigmented. Oh, but she is oxidizing. That's okay though. Like, that's okay. She's turning into like a more like mustardy color. That's okay. They were saying like you should use like a primer to get maximum payoff off your shadows, but I just went in with concealer. That's what I always go in with. I mean, as I'm blending it out, I don't know if you guys can see that, but as I'm blending it out, it's kind of getting patchy. I'm just gonna, I mean, he said to layer, so I'm just gonna keep layering on top and blending out towards the outer corner, towards my nose. I mean, I don't know if it's my blending, but it's kind of like disappearing. Do Do you guys see that? I don't know. Okay guys, so I would definitely recommend like going in straight away and blending instead of like completely packing the color on there. Maybe it's just with this one, but it definitely was getting really patchy right here. I don't know if you guys can see like that patch of just like no color. But this eye is definitely doing much better, and I'm just like straight away blending it out rather than packing and blending. I'm just going in like straight away and starting to blend. Also with that, there's like way less fallout. You see all this fallout from like the packing? So yeah, you really just want to go straight away and blend that shadow. That works so much better. Okay. I'm going to go in with the shade Skip, I think it's called. It's like this really bright pink. It's really pretty. I'm going to go in with Skip. And I'm just going to take another Morphe brush. This is another random Morphe brush. I'm going to take that and put it next to, oh wow, she's pigmented, next to the yellow. Okay, my camera died. I don't know what it caught, but right now I'm just taking Love That with my M514, and I'm just building that up in the crease and in the outer corner to create a little bit of depth. Okay, now that that's all blended in, I am going to go in with the M508 and a little bit of concealer. And I'm just going to cut my crease. Just going to go in with the Born This Way concealer again. And I'm just going to cut my crease. Okay, so now that I cut the crease, I'm going to go back in with the shade Love That. And I'm just going to blend her on the outside of that cut crease. Just to obviously blend it together. Okay, I think I want to do some color. Like some purple and green, maybe? Okay, I'm going to take a flat brush. I'm just going to take this BH Cosmetics brush in the number 12 or 13. I don't know. I'm just going to take a flat brush. I'm going to go in, like I want to do some of the shimmers because I haven't done them yet. But, like this green, like this matte green, guys, is so pretty. This lime green, oh my god, it's calling my name. I want to do it so bad. Okay, just to do some shimmers, I am gonna go in, I think, with Artistry and maybe Hello. I'm gonna swatch them really quick for you guys. So this is Artistry. It's kind of like sheer, but I'm guessing if you layer it. Oh my god, yeah. That's Artistry, and then this is Hello. Yeah, this is so great. Artistry and Hello. Artistry is this one, Hello is this one. I really want to swatch this green one for you guys too. It's so creamy, like they're so creamy. I'm so excited to do a look with this. Yeah, like that is cute. And then if you layer, like he was saying, oh my god. We stand. Okay, I'm gonna spray my brush with a little bit of the Morphe Prep and Set. And I think the first color I'm gonna go in with is Artistry. On my flat brush. And I am just gonna place that right next to so this definitely is like not picking up. Oh, there we go. There's a little bit. I think I'm gonna go in with my finger and see if that does way better. Okay, let's go in with my finger. Oh yeah, so I think Artistry is more of a pressed pigment, and I think you just have to go in like with your finger to get the most payoff. Okay, yeah, so I realized that with Artistry, this is like the really iridescent purple in the palette. I realized that you kind of have to like go in with your finger, just because it's like really pressed and it's so iridescent and pretty. I don't know if you guys can see that on my eyes, but it's like definitely really iridescent, like an iridescent like pearl blue. But you definitely want to, oh, I can't stop layering this, it's so pretty. You definitely want to go in and use your finger for this shade. It's like gorgeous. It's so pretty. This would be so pretty as a topper too. Like, oh my god. Do you guys like see that? Like, is that just me? We stand. Okay, so now I'm going to take another flat brush. This is just a Wet n Wild crease brush, or flat brush. I don't know why I said crease brush. I'm going to spray her with some Morphe Prep and Set. And I'm going to go in with that shade Hello. I think it's called Hello. Let me make sure. Yeah, that like really beautiful blue shade. And I'm going to pop her right in here. Oh yes. Hello. Hello. Now for my inner corner, I'm just going to take a smaller brush. This is from BH Cosmetics. It's the number 7 brush. And I think I'm going to go in with this really light, like bright white, like gold pigmenty shade called Ring Light. And I'm going to put that on my inner corner. Like so. Oh my god. Hello. And I didn't even spray. I just had a feeling I wouldn't have to spray this one. Like I knew. Like I knew this one was gonna be it, you know? Okay, so now I'm going to put on some lashes. I'm just going to put on these iconic lashes from the I Envy collection in the number 2. These are so amazing. I found these actually at my beauty supply, and I love them so much. I literally bought so many pairs. But yeah, I'm just going to throw these ones on, and then I'm going to come back to you in a minute. Okay, now for highlight. I'm going to go back in with the palette actually, because apparently... what is it called? Face. I think it's Face, and this one's Tune. But apparently Face is like a highlight. I just want to know if it's like universal. So I'm going to see how it looks on my skin tone. I'm sure it is, because James definitely believes in like inclusivity and things like that. Well, literally that. I still have foundation on my hand, and I know I'm going to get it somewhere, so let me rub that off before I do this. Okay, so I'm going to spray my M501 with a little bit of Morphe Prep and Set spray. And I'm just going to go in and see. Oh my god. You're kidding me. Okay, so this is the finished look, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I just wanted to do a gloss, obviously, to just focus on the eyes a little bit more. I love how this turned out. The palette overall was so amazing. The colors blended like amazing. I noticed with some of the shades, like, you definitely have to go in and start blending first instead of packing, because I did get a little bit of patchiness right here. But other than that, the shades were amazing. They blended out so nicely. With the Artistry shade, I noticed that you do have to use your finger. Probably with a lot of the pressed pigments, it has to be that way. But other than that, these shades were amazing. They worked amazing. They blended amazing together. I love this palette. I love what James did. I love all the people who came together to make this. You know, he included his brother, Laura, the Dolan twins, anybody you can think of in here, he included them in this palette. So everyone who came together and inspired James for this palette, this is amazing. I love it. And Unleash Your Inner Artist, I love that campaign, because it definitely makeup is an art, and some people just see it as like fun, or like, you know, something that everyone can do now, but it definitely is an art. So if you can do makeup and you are talented, know that like it is something special. You are an artist, and I love that message that he put behind this palette. Even if you can't do makeup, just being able to get this palette and know that you can try, or you can work, or you can try to achieve something with the shades in this beautiful palette. Let's show it one more time. In this beautiful palette, which I'm going to be using more, so stay tuned for that. But just knowing that you're able to do that is amazing, and that's a really great message. So I love that. But I do have a little sister surprise for you guys. Like I said, went to Morphe this morning, and I picked up the palette for myself, but I also got one for all of you guys out there that I will be giving away and mailing to you guys. So to enter the giveaway, I will put all the information down below, but basically the rules are you will have to be following me on Instagram. My Instagram is @JasmineShy. I will also link that below. You'll have to be following me on there. The second thing is you will have to subscribe to this channel and like the video. And the last thing is I want you guys to comment down below what your favorite color is. But yeah, that is all for this video. I love you guys so much. I'm so excited to be able to give this away to one of you guys. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time. Bye!